everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Masaledar Arbi. I have a 4-pound Arbi. Peel it, cut it, wash it with the cold water. Then we're going to pat it dry. Other ingredients will be olive oil, 1 onion, 2-inch ginger, 1 large green serrano chili, and 7 to 8 garlic cloves, lemon juice. Spices from Masala Dabba. Arbi has a lot of slime. We're going to use anardana powder. This is pomegranate powder and this is homemade. How do I make it? At home, please watch the video I have posted on my channel. So the first step will be peeling, cutting, washing. So we're going to peel it first. Once it's nicely peeled, now if you wash it, then it will become slippery, then it will be harder to cut. So what do you need to do? We're going to cut. We're going to keep about this size. Not too thin, not too thick. We'll place it into the bowl. And I will keep continuing doing that. Once I will finish with this, then I will wash with cold water. Arbi is peeled and cut into nice size pieces. And it was washed with cold water and patted dry. Onion is cut into long thin slices. Fresh lemon juice. To make it Masaledar Arbi, these are the spices I'm going to use. Garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon each, turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons, salt, 1 teaspoon, and it's always to taste. Red chili flake, pomegranate powder, anardana powder, 1 teaspoon each, kasuri methi, fenugreek leaves, garlic, green chili, ginger, 2 teaspoons each. And let's start making our delicious Masaledar Arbi. Get a fry pan and start gas, and we're going to bring olive oil. You need enough oil. We're going to fry the Arbi. The remaining oil we're going to use it for tadka. As the oil start to heat up, we'll bring Arbi. We're going to fry Arbi, and we're going to do it in a couple batches. So the first batch, make sure that you move around, and once it's going to cook and it's going to start changing color, that's the time we're going to take it out. As you can see, the Arbi has started to change color, and this is how it gets fried, and this is all we need. Now I'm going to take this one out. So once we take it out, we just place it into the plate. So you don't need to put any paper towel under the plate, because we're going to use this Arbi again in our masala, which is we're going to prepare tadka. Nice color. One tip I wanted to share with you: when you're cutting the Arbi, don't cut it too thin, like a paper thin. Then what's going to happen, it will burn up real quick. You need to keep it about this size. So after taking out all Arbi, now we're going to bring the remaining Arbi. And we're going to fry it the same way. So keep it moving so it won't get burned. The second batch is ready as well. So same process. We're going to take it out. As you've seen, all the pieces are taken out. Prepare our Masaledar tadka. In the same oil, I'll bring 1 teaspoon ajwain. This is the carom seed. This is strictly optional. Please try it. And this is cumin seed, jeera, 1 teaspoon. So give like 10 seconds. This is good enough. Ginger, garlic, green chili. Mix it well. Cook them for 20 seconds until all the garlicky flavor is gone. Add onion. Mix it well. And keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Onions are nicely translucent. Now add salt, turmeric powder. I'll bring all the spices. Cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala. Mix it well and cook the spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking all the spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Now add Arbi. With the help of second spoon, mix it well. The Arbi is nicely combined with the tadka. Now we're going to bring red crushed pepper, anardana and kasuri methi and mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we'll add lemon juice. So get a sieve so you can catch any seed. So I'm going to use like a half lemon. This is perfect. Mix it well again. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to spread it evenly. Bring your gas on a simmer. Cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. On a simmer, cooking for 2 minutes, I'll open the lid. Mix it well. Our Masaledar Arbi is already very delicious, and the last ingredient, the most important ingredient in Indian cooking, cilantro, dhania, fresh coriander leaves, good amount of cilantro, and finely chopped red onion. Mix it well. Turn off your gas. Our dish is all ready, and I have my serving platter ready, and we're going to dish out. This is very tasty, super delicious vegetarian recipe. Look at this. So yum. Let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious Masaledar Arbi is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. You can serve as a main course dish, and this dish is so tasty, super delicious. And you can eat it with the roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, tortilla, even bread. I mean, name it. You're going to like it. Please try. And share your comment how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.